Hi friends, I am your host Dev Hore and you are watching my channel Ami Bhavo Gure. Welcome to my channel once again. Who they are already subscribed my channel, please do like or share my contents if you love this, or who they are just new at my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get the notification of such like videos further. I am a offbeat traveler. I as always try to travel the offbeat destination, but here I am just got an accident just 1.5 months before, so I am here in my bed. So just searching of my old contents, it is one of the famous thing which famous gathering here, which was actually I have went there for photography purpose, but it was my documentation, some documentation was there in my hard disk, so I think I should utilize this. So I have tried to mix and match all these just videos and photograph I have took there. And it is also a famous place here at Kuzbihar district where I am just living. It is Holdivali. It is called Holdivali, though it is nearer to the Jalpaiguri, but it is a jurisdiction of Kuzbihar district. I am here at Darbare-Ekram tomb of Huzur Ekramatullah Rahmatullah Taibji and his ancestors at Holdivali district, Kuzbihar. You can see here the huge crowd. You can see just beyond of imagination how much crowd is here. One fair is organized by here every year in this winter time. It is a winter time here. So it is at around February, last of February or March. Here is a winter. So one fair organized here by the local and related committee every year. You can see thousands of people came here from different districts and the neighboring countries also. I have brought here from Rajasthan, from Gujarat, from Bihar, the Karnataka, the Kashmir peoples came here to thanks to this saint which I have already mentioned, Huzur Ekramatullah Rahmatullah Taibji. Actually what's happened, it is also famous for its wish fulfilling supernatural power. Actually why it is so famous, it is actually famous for it is the wish or desire fulfilling supernatural power itself. This tomb of Huzur, Sahib Huzur. People believes here, if someone wish for some things, his unfulfilled desire here or from his house, Huzur will fulfill his desire definitely. It is a long year back. Sufi Maulana Ekramatullah Rahmatullah Taibji was lived here and he was famous for his love towards people irrespective of caste and social status. He served all kinds of people, all communities of people, irrespective of caste, color, creed, anything. And day by day his honesty, love and belief towards Allah, the Supreme God, he became a saint of fulfillment. The people here the most in our locality here, the Kuch Bihar, Jalpaiguri district, most the poor peoples are living here. They have the limited resources. They have, if they have got some diseases or some any problem, even they have no such sufficient money to go to the hospital to treat them properly. So they have just wish here to this Dargah, to the Huzur, and after fulfilling their wish, they got their just cattle stocks as a gift to offering here this tomb. You can see the lots of the chickens, the pigeons, the goats, etc. Everything, even cows, every just livestock they are offering to the Huzur for fulfilling, after fulfilling their wish. You can see here the committee collecting all the livestock. So they are bring with them the pilgrims bring with them from their house, or they buy it from the market to offering their Huzur after fulfilling their wish. Even some people offering the rice, you just saw it, the old people just donate the rice bag here, and people also donating the cash monies also, some sweet meats, some sugar candies, flowers, the rose flowers, the scarf, everything they are offering, which they are love to offer their Huzur. They are offering that, and thereafter this committee collecting all the things offered, the donated things here, get together and sorting it, and thereafter they auction it, which is sellable. You can see the chickens are first sellable item, first moving item. It sells with a certain bunch of chickens, and thereafter it will be by some local peoples, and they will the committee will collect the money and use it to develop the Mela infrastructure, as well as the tomb infrastructure, the gates, the buildings, the overall maintenance, and some local charities also. It is going on year after year, and the ancestors now they are doing with the Mela committee, local panchayat members and local village members. After his great demise, his ancestors also continuing its fame and name, and day by day it's increased. It's countable by the numbers of pilgrims increase year by year. You can see the same tradition still, every caste, you can see the same tradition still continues here. You can see here the different caste of people, the Muslims, the Hindus near local Rajbanshis, coming from different states, all the peoples they are they think that if they have some desire which is not still fulfilled, if they wish here, it will must fulfill from the end of this Huzur. Huzur is the conveyor. Huzur will be conveyed to their wish to the Supreme God, Allah, and He will fulfill the desire after all. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep watching my channel. You will get there more offbeat travel tours. Most of them are related to the northeastern people, and you will get to see my channel at about Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. You just check it, my channel, and go there. You will see different kind of travel stories there. If you like my channel, please do subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family, and then you will get the notifications of my further post. You will get soon or as a priority basis. Thank you once again.